have some. Okay, never mind. I'll just take this iron.
Okay, so yellow just fell into the void. I mean, they're already rushing us. Okay, right here. Oh, did you just fall? Oh, that's just... I was like, Gavin, did you really just fall? Yes! Okay, so yellow went to mid, actually. I thought they're... Oh, no, they're just using a weird way to go to diamonds. Okay, anyways. Okay, get heal pool. I need a new mouse.
The most important part of this.
Yep. Don't have heal pool, you won't survive a fireball.
No.
TNT, you really just have to block. Okay, so I see Aqua's trying to rush us. But then yellow stopped.
Red and blue are having a big battle over there.
Come after me, yellow. I'm drag clipping
Blue
right
uses
now.
a very weird bed defense. I've never seen that before.
Oh, so yellow, are you gonna come down? Nope. Okay, I'm fine with that. Take these.
What do you want?
Iron Forge? Yeah. I'm chicken.
Forge.
This is what happens when you solo rush. And I think you just fell into the void, sir. Oh, nope, you're going up like that with no blocks. Thanks. Oh, dang it.
This is the first time I actually remembered to get myself a stick.
Yeah, good job. Now you're probably gonna fall into the void or something.
Yeah. When did we get prot?
That was the first thing I got.
Oh, yeah, I don't remember that.
Oh, yellow, get back over here with all my
Dang,
diamonds. Bro. Yellow, I don't like when you steal my diamonds. Oh, final kill too. Let's go.
Hey, I think we need to go down, actually.
Do you got glass?
I'm trying. You need to get some glass.
There. I've been getting all the diamonds and fighting.
That's why we don't even use like the traps we get. And it's just to know if people are at our base whenever we're in the thing.
We really do not care about our bed.
I mean, it's kind of the point. Like, you just don't care about your bed at all. Oh.
Wow. Well, we just kind of watched that.
Should we go? I've got 20 glass. We can always go back up. Screw that. I now have 24 glass.
Wait, split?
Go.
Split, dude? Split.
You ready?
Yep. Okay.
Did you get the split?
Yeah, I think I did. Okay, anyways, I have no glass.
I have 28. I'm going in.
I'm just gonna get a little bit more stuff for a stone sword. That's enough.
I don't have a stone sword. Can you bring me one?
Dude, I only have 10 iron.
I know. Can you like wait up there for?
No, blue's rushing and aqua.
Oh, okay. Then come on down. I don't know if I was supposed to.
Okay. So that's just. Oh, hey.
Oh. Okay, so we need to remove that block.
Okay, put glass right there. Gavin, you need to put. Okay, give me the rest of the glass over here. This way.
We only have 5.
Just give me it. Thank you. Thank you, Gavin. Hold up. This is why we normally do the bottom first, by the way, Gavin.
Hold on. I'm just making it so we can see out into the outside world.
Breaking that because like they can only enter pro from one side. You know, look, this is where they can enter pro from.
Oh yeah, we're definitely going to need some glass.
I know.
Did I go out?
That's fine right there. Depends on where they are right now.
I don't think they are there. I'm gonna go out.
Okay. Man, that's the worst bridge I've ever seen. Ah! Oh, split.
No, oh, yeah, split. You ready?
Yep. Oh, I thought I took it all.
Nope.
I'm gonna stay in here for a little bit for some shears.
Sponges.
Okay.
I have 8 sponges. Oh, get shears.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go over to Yellow's base real quick.
I'm gonna go just grab diamonds.
Oh my god, you're right in front of me, which makes me so scared. Yep. I tell you, bridge.
Diamonds.
How much do you
only
have?
1 diamond. 1. Wait, never mind. Now 2.
Okay, just keep it.
Paste?
Just keep it. I have 2 in my ender chest, so let me just go over here and I'm.
Okay, then we. Come on, 1 more. Thank you.
Obama?
Apple. And shears. Where the heck are shears? I really don't want to show my side of the footage on that one. I just searched for like a minute trying to find shears.
Wow! Smartest place in Bedwars. Number 1. Argo. Against Gavin. He's here. Just gonna. Come on. I got a knockback stick.
Diamond? Sorry, I just didn't want to lose the diamonds. So, I got the most powerful upgrade of them all.
Don't go down
Probably
yet.
should have gotten pot 2. Should I go down?
No. Okay, Gavin, go back.
I hate people that do this. Is our bed gone? Oh yeah, it is. I forgot our bed got destroyed. I love drag clicking. I can't even get that high CPS drag clicking on this mouse, but I still love doing it.
Just gonna click him going down, you know.
Bonk. Alright, go. Quick as possible. Quick. I got shears as well.
Don't go too far down.
Can I shear this?
Yeah.
Without. Okay.
Okay, don't shear it right under you, okay? Get out. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I'm shearing this part off. I got this.
Oh, I forgot to grab wool, but that's fine, I guess.
I already got some. It's fine. But you know what I didn't forget to get?
All I heard was. Hey, Gavin, fun fact. If you break the block under you, you will fall into the void.
No.
Just like flies back up. No, you actually do not. Proven myth. Wobble wobble wobble
It's for
dibble
extra
gobble gobble
insulation.
gobble.
Insulation, you know. Got to stay warm. Well, now we wait.
We
It's
wait.
not an aqua.
I have a stone sword here. I got an iron
Already
sword.
got it.
I'm critting him.
No, I have-
Crit.
Now I have 2 stone swords, just in case one breaks. Instead, I have 9 gapples.
I have 6.
And 8 sponges.
I have 0. You need you.
Haha.
Hey Gavin, when we do a urban hiding spot, hey, make sure you get sponges. Okay, so you see, this is called the effect of spleefing.
Cries and kidneys dying.
Man, I got a wool generator right here, by the way.
Cyan woolen.
Look how far he goes, though. I just love that.
Hold on, we have to put up our trophy in our trophy. Trophy.
Trophy.
Trophy.
Trophy.
Water do be kind of bussin' though.
He has a fireball, by the way.
Cool.
Where? Oh, yeah, throw it down. Throw it down. Come on. Throw it down. I'm gonna
Make
give
me drag click you.
hint.
Right, bro.
Hint ender pearls.
Don't do that because every time you do that.
No, but you see, this time we'll be smart. And it's both of us, so we'll be able to see.
I'm sorry, did you just say smart?
Gotcha, got your fireball. Ah!
You know, and you didn't get brain cancer.
Ah! You know what I don't have? Failing kidneys. See his teammate, by the way. He just chilling right there.
I'm brain dead.
It's the same dude. His teammate's just like kind of figuring out a way. This dude's like.
Oh.
Who's over there? Oh, his teammate. Look, I got shears! Gonna use those shears to break the glass. Yo, Gavin? I can hear you that you're getting AFK'd. What's that? What is that?
No, it's just me typing. Cause Bonk!
Oh. Place it right here. I think you got it. Yeah, you did.
Nice.
I mean, you can, but you don't want that to happen. I mean, they'll just come back if you just die, but... Oh, I hear something! Coming from which angle? Which angle they're coming from? That one or this one? They're coming from that one since they don't know how to crouch yet. Oh, they're using water. See, Gavin, you can't go do against that. Their water's all the way over there. Then his teammate's right there, being stupid. I think that was just honestly...
Nice.
I think his teammate's actually pretty smart. This dude isn't. Do you see what he's doing? He's like, oh my god, I forgot. That's not gonna help you. At any concerns, those aren't. At any concerns, those aren't.
What is he? What is he?
Gonna leave a little window for them. I don't know. What was your thinking process there? Just tell me. Please tell me. What was your thinking process there? You just kind of went. Gavin, this side. Got him. Oh my god, he had 13 gold, 24 iron, and 3 diamonds. Dude, that is...
Jumped out a window.
Dude, they're just helping us right here.
Look, I boxed up the window.
They're
Boxed up
really
Fortnite.
helping us. Like, they're just giving us a little bit more protection, you know?
Ice.
Oh, he's here again. This time I hit him with my shears on accident. We need to go get more glass soon.
Oh yeah, we do. But they're constantly roughing us, so we pretty much can't.
Yeah, but you see, they're gonna keep on breaking this. You know, I'm just gonna start breaking it.
You're already.
Are they already here? Oh crap. Oh, okay. So the other one's right here, Gavin. You stay right there. I stay over here. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. Okay. See, you just kind of open up that. I don't know what his thinking process was. I think they're trying to use ender pearls on us, but failing.
Just pro block.
Yep. Nope. We got this. Just.
Bonk. Oh.
She's right there.
Wait.
Got him. They're so stupid. That's the thing.
Alright, I'm going up.
No. No, Gavin. Gavin, don't.
I'm risking my life.
Okay, I guess I will too. Yeah, I'm going back. See, this is what happens again. You're so close.
Whenever you said that, you looked me dead in the eyes. I wouldn't do that. They're like right there. You need more glass.
I do. I'm just gonna start breaking everything right here.
He just.
Oh, okay.
Oh. What?
Oh crap.
Up. I go.
I don't have any more wool.
Oh. You're like out of everything. Oh.
I heard him.
He's jogging. He's in. Ah.
Where? Oh, right here. Oh, he fell.
Right there.
What? How low is he?